Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your channel GetAssist. And in today's video, I will tell you one special application through which you can earn a lot of money. Yes, up to $200, $300. And the name of the application is Tango. In this application, you can go and stream out, means you have to go live, interact with new people. They can ask you anything about you and you can answer them. You can make new friends and also you can increase your reach of your social media accounts. You can also link your social media accounts like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. So in this application, you have to just go live. You have to interact with the people. The application will give you few targets as in there will be 3 or 4 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. In the very first level, you have to go live for 40 hours in a week. Once you complete this target, the app will give you few coins, and through that coins you can redeem your money directly in your bank account. So in this way you can earn money by sitting at your home, by going live, by doing streaming, and yes, you can make new friends and also you can reach a lot of people. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.